You want a master degree, but you have a full-time job, no time and no budget. Enter IGNOU MEC, 2 years, 4 semesters, and 80 credits, and zero college visits. But there is a twist. Semester 4 has some difference. You get 4 specializations in semester 4, including AI and machine learning in economics. Yes, IGNOU teaches AI now. Now let us see the IGNOU program in detail so that you can enter the course. The IGNOU Master of Arts in Economics program is a comprehensive distance learning postgraduate course designed for a wide range of students. Here is a detailed overview based on the information available. So program overview and key details are like this. MEC program is a 2-year postgraduate degree offered through open and distance learning, making it flexible option for learners. It is structured to provide a deep understanding of economic theories, quantitative methods, and policy analysis. The program details are summarized as program features and details. So program code is MEC. It is also known as MA. Duration is 2 years minimum. Semester system, 4 semesters are there. Total credits are 80 credits. Mode of study is open distance learning. Eligibility is bachelor degree from any discipline from a recognized university. Medium of instruction is both Hindi and English. Now detailed curriculum and credit structure. The program consists of 80 credits, which are spread across 4 semesters, with each semester typically carrying 20 credits. The first 3 semesters are compulsory and focusing on core economic subjects, while the 4th semester offers a choice of specializations. So compulsory courses are from semester 1 to 3. So I will say semester 1 and course code and course title and credits accordingly. So semester 1 course code is MEC 101. Subject course title is Microeconomic Theory and Analysis. Credit is 6. MEC 102 Macroeconomic Theory and Analysis. Credit 6. MEC 203 Quantitative Methods. Credits 8. So it is first semester. Credits are 6 plus 6 plus 8, 20. Now come to second semester. MEC 104 Economics of Growth and Development. MEC 109 Research Methods in Economics. MEC 205 Indian Economic Policy. Credit 6. So MEC 104 has 8, research method plus is 6, and Indian economic policy is 6. So 8 plus 6 plus 6 is equal to 20. Now semester 3, MEC 106 Public Economics with 6 credits. MEC 107 International Trade and Development with 6 credits. MEC 1 Money, Financial Institution and Markets with 8 credits. So it is again 6 plus 6 plus 8 is 20 credits. Total compulsory credits will be 60. 20 plus 20 plus 20 of each semester. Now specializations include 20 credits and it is in final semester or 4th semester. You must choose 20 credits from one of the 4 specialization groups. Group A is data analysis. Courses are introductory and advanced econometric method, data science and big data, artificial intelligence and machine learning, project work. Group B is energy and environmental economics. Courses are introductory and advanced econometric methods, economics of environment and social sector, and project work. Third group C is insurance and finance. Courses are introductory and advanced econometric methods, actuarial economics, that is for insurance, project work. So econometric. Group 4 is social policy. Courses are introductory, econometric methods, Gandhi's economic thought, women in economy, gender issue, and in work, employment, and productivity, and project work. So what we see that there is introductory and advanced in econometric method in all group and along with project work. So you have to choose very cautiously so that you can do it easily. Now, key points: flexibility. The distance learning format allows students to study at their own pace with the option to complete the program within maximum of 4 to 5 years. Course is of 2 years, but you are mm, free to complete it within 5 years. Credit system: one credit equates 30 hours of study, meaning entire 80 credits program involves 24 hours of learning. Mathematical background: while not mandatory for admission, but a basic understanding of mathematics, calculus, and linear algebra is highly recommended, as program includes quantitative subjects. IGNOU typically offers admission twice a year in June and January, in July and January session. And one more thing, that is regarding assignments. There are assignments of each paper and which is available online. You have to complete the assignment and submit in time. You have to be careful while writing the assignments that there is word limit, and word limit should be maintained, and it should be handwritten with your own writing. There should not be two types of writing in the assignment, and word limit has to be maintained, and there are 30% of marks you get from assignments and 75% from the examination. So both marks are combined and your result is published. So welcome to IGNOU MEC program. Thank you. All the best.